Okay, now you're going to see some little spots on here. See the little spots you'll see? Can you see them? It feels rough. Okay, so I'm spraying one wall. I've already sprayed the left-hand side of the wall before I started recording. And I thought, I'm going to show you guys what to do. So you first spray the shine degreaser on the wall tiles when it's in medium condition to make the grime easy to come off. It will feel like sticky dust that doesn't come off, even if you scratch it. So I've sprayed with shine degreaser. Now I'm using my double strength wet magic eraser wall pad to be able to remove the grime in one wipe, maybe two tops. Super easy on your body. It is a technique. You do need to learn it. You need to, I do make it look easy. You just got to practice. And now we're using our fluffy, wet, absorbent wall microfiber cloth to remove the product residue. It's super important. You're going to see why in a second. Super absorbent. I love this pad. Now look at this. You're going to see the black stuff coming off. That's just on one wall, yeah? On one wall. So the magic eraser, look how dirty that is. That's already taken the grime off, but now this is the residue. So don't ever forget to remove the product. Now this is why I recommend this tool only. This is our wall, like our wall tool for cleaning glass, like for drying shiny surfaces, glass surfaces, for this particular reason. This is not the wall tool that I recommend regularly. This is the wall tool that I recommend for this particular job. Now, see, when it's this wet, when the cloth is this wet, you must use your Shine Ultimate cloth, by the way. Don't try and use another thinner cloth. It won't work. It'll be a ball breaker. Okay. So they just stick in these little holes at the back. They're just great. And the reason why I'm telling you to use this cloth is because all you need to do is one wipe, one wipe, one wipe. Do you see? You can do one wall, then you need to change it. You can still use the glass cloth to dry other stuff because there is dry bits, just not for the wall. Now, that's the effect of it. I haven't touched it up, done anything to it. That's no chemical residue. No double wiping. It's just easy. Check, I was actually teaching at the time, you can see. See? Easy, easy, easy. And you will get results like that every time.